If you're having issues with syncing, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix sync error on OneNote app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to fix this sync on your OneNote app while trying to sync your document or access them, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to troubleshoot your OneNote app by going to settings, and from settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for OneNote and tap on it to open. Then go to for stop app and OK. Go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Finally, clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your OneNote app and open or access your documents or try to sync your documents, now the sync should happen without any issue. However, if this does not work, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, open it and search OneNote app, tap on it, and here look for any update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have updated, now your app should be working without any issue. However, should sync not still work after doing all this, then check and then see if you're using any VPN, turn it off or uninstall the app, and also ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.